Hi children, welcome back to my channel. In this session, you are going to see SOF International Mathematics Olympiad of Class 3 question paper set A, which was held on October 22, 2024. In this session, you are going to see the answer key, total number of questions 35 and time will be 1 hour. First question from logical reasoning first section. The right answer is option C. Second question right answer is option B. Third question right answer is option D. Fourth question right answer is option C. Fifth question right answer is option C. Sixth question right answer is option B. Seventh question right answer is option D. Eighth question right answer is option C. Ninth question right answer is option C. 10th question right answer is option A. Second section mathematical reasoning. 11th question right answer is option B. 12th question right answer is option C. 13th question right answer is option D. 14th question right answer is option A. 15th question right answer is option B. 16th question right answer is option A. 17th question right answer is option A. 18th question right answer is option C. 19th question right answer is option A. 20th question answer is option B. Third section everyday mathematics. 21st question right answer is option C. 22nd question right answer is option B. 23rd question right answer is option D. 24th question right answer is option C. 25th question right answer is option B. 26th question right answer is option C. 27th question right answer is option D. 28th question answer is option A. 29th question answer is option D. 30th question answer is option B. Fourth section Achievers section. 31st question answer is option A. 32nd question right answer is option D. 33rd question right answer is option A. 34th question right answer is option A. 35th question right answer is option D. So we are done with the answer key of class 3 question paper set A. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you children. Bye children.